let's practice E sound. E. E. Yay! You did E sound. Whoa! It's a bunch of silly worms. That was so silly. Now let's do eat. Eat, eat, eat. Now let's do P sound. P. You pop your lips. You got 2 dinosaurs! Great job!
Back in Mesozoic times, dinosaurs stomped around all day. Dino play. Some of them preferred to fly. They'd spread their dino wings and fly away. Dino play. Let's pretend that we're tiny dinos eating leaves off the ground,
And twigs on the ground.
and pines and seeds.
Now pretend you're a bigger dino who likes running around
Charging around
at super speeds.
Now pretend you're the biggest dino and reach up way up high.
Way up high,
high, high. Dinosaurs would like to chomp. They jump and chomp and chew their plants and prey. Dino play.
Let's pretend that we're tiny dinos eating leaves off the ground,
Twigs on the ground.
pines and seeds.
Now pretend you're a bigger dino who likes running around.
Charging around at super speeds.
Now pretend you're a T-Rex and let out a roar. Let out a roar. Let out a roar. Roar, roar. Dino play. Stomp around, we're playing dino play.
Stomp and chomp, we're playing dino play.
Run around, we're playing dino play.
Spread the fun around, it's dino play.
Dino play.
Now let's do open. We do circle lips first. Open. 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 Surprise! You got a really cool red car! The door opens. Wow! That's a cool red car.